Hi guys, we're on the move again. Super excited to begin up this wee trail. First part we know, up to Kilpatrick Hill, trig point. And then we're just going to wing it after that, a couple of miles over into the hills. See if we can find a nice wee spot. There's plenty of burns and things according to the map. So we'll see what happens. Pamela's done up with our usual festival pack horse. Amber's had a haircut. Well, that's the gorse coming into bloom again. If you ever get really grubby hands, you can use that as a wee bit of hand wash, like a coconut smell for the yellow flowers. You can also sprinkle them into a salad. Is it? Amber's having a whale of a time and not really been any long walks for maybe 4 or 5 days. I just came to the fork. You continue on up that way, it takes you into the woods and up to Kilpatrick Well. Eventually up to the trig as well. But this way here, more direct, takes you straight up to the trig. It's more open, so that's the way we're heading. That's your reward for your first 250 metres. Quite stunning. Balloch down there. Lomond obviously. The usual Ben Lomond. Never seems to go away that in my shots. Don't think it ever will. I've got the camera resting on the trig. And a trig across there in Bromley Muir. And a trig across there in Carman Muir. The purpose of these trigs, as most of you know, triangulate Britain before satellites were invented. And every trig has to be able to see at least another 2. And then use all that Pythagoras stuff. The common misconception is that they're all at a high height. I think there's one actually at sea level somewhere down south. As long as it can see another 2 trigs, they can make their calculations. They're defunct now, but a lot of people bag them. Trig baggers, quite a few of them online, YouTube and stuff. Nice walks in their own right. We're just heading up the top of that hill there. It's got cairn stones on it, according to the map. And then we shouldn't be too far over the other side there. That's a theory anyway. I'm bringing a flute rather than a ukulele next time. That's open moorland. A full pack. Hard going. Pamela managed to lose her sleeping bag. Roll mat in the trees. Set us back 50 minutes. All part of the fun. Yeah, that's one of the bomb craters I was on about in one of my last videos about starfish bunkers. And possibly can't pin that right enough, although I have seen dry ones before. So it's just come up on top of our first weekend. You got to admire that view. And we're heading for the back end of those woods here. I remember. Hey. Sometimes across Boggymere it's worse going uphill on a path or semi-path. It's tough. Nice wee plunge pool in here. This was where we were thinking about camping, but a little too good for wood, so we do have a plan B, which is up over there, near the woods. There's a nice wee pool there, a nice wee flat bit, but no wood, so we're going to try plan B, which is really plan A. It's just a bit further on, but if this would have done the job, but we're going to wait in here, so we're going to go and try to check out the other bit. Well, plan B was a bust as well. It wasn't flat, hardly any wood. We're going to plan C, which I know for a fact is going to work, because we've been there before. And I'll show you where we've ended up. Not ideal. I have managed to get a bit of wood from up there in the forest. And we've got a flat bit in there for the tent. As you can probably hear, there's quite a bit of wind coming through there. It's a Lanshan too. That's the two-man Lanshan, roughed it, the mat's inside it, so it's a start. Dinner time. Just show you where we're at now. Wee bit of fire going on the edge of that water. That's our full complement of wood. Wee bit of mess ashore, usual. That'll get sorted. Lanshan. That's a curry on from the small. Right folks, this is the dinner for tonight. A couple of pieces of well seasoned steak. I prefer to cook up in the house because you don't need to start taking scissors with you. Any other bits and pieces. Not to mention, if you run into any problems with cooking, you can always eat it cold. It's going to be a beef curry, biryani type mixture, one pot type thingy. It's pretty simple. So what we've got is a Sharwood's Malaysian coconut curry, golden rice, a couple of shallots that were lying about the fridge. You're bloody TikTok next. I'll just let that simmer away for a minute. 5 minutes and that'll be good to go. It just happens to be a can of Jack Daniel's Tennessee apple and some rum and lime in the bun. I think I'll grab me one of them. Yeah, that's us kind of half set up. curry down the neck. I'll show you a wee spot. It just happens to be tents down in the shaded area, because that's the flat space. We're sitting up here in the sun.
So if you hear me, throw my ashes in the rain from the banks of Loch Lomond and send me on my way, or tear me up for the birds of prey on a mountain on the west coast, and let them have the way, for I'll be gone, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. Here's my song, here's my song. This will be a song for the family, the love of my life. I'm just going to play a couple of bars. Tea's gone cold and wondering why they're out of bed and all. Morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. Even if I could, I'll be great. But your picture on my wall, it reminds me that it's not so bad, it's not so bad. And I want to thank you for giving me the best days of my life. Yeah, he was a friend of mine. Yeah, he was a friend of mine. And every time that I hear his name, Lord, I just can't help but cry, 'cause he was a friend of mine. Well, that's us up early, folks, ready to go. We're going to sugarcoat it. It was a wee bit of a tough night again. It's still good fun all the same. Do a wee bit of filming the way back.
That's us making our way back now. Just see Ben Lone poking through the mist. 2 or 3 miles that way. As Papa Hill just come into view, that's where we need to head to. And then downhill to the car. Pamela's stumbling about like Manfredo again. This us come out the forest, back towards the trig. But we're going back down this way. To the well. This is a Pappet well, natural spring. Don't think I would drink out it right enough. Not without the Sawyer anyway. Well, that's us on the home stretch, folks, so I'm going to stop recording now, and if you like this wee video, please like and subscribe, hit the notification button. Thank you.